Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. So I have officially started my summer outfit planning. Has anybody else started their summer outfit planning? The second that I feel any kind of warm weather, I'm like, oh, it's time. For whatever reason, I feel like it's so much easier for me to plan outfits in the fall. I love layers, I love putting a bunch of stuff on, putting some jewelry on and keeping it moving. But for summertime, it seems to be a little bit more difficult for me. So because I like shoes to be more the focal point of the outfit and kind of just accessorize more so than the outfit itself, I bought some shoes and they were all under 20 bucks each, which is like insane. But you guys know that I love Charlie Roos. So all three of these are from there, and I just thought I'd hop on here, put a little video together and show you guys what I got. And with each shoe, I'm actually gonna talk about what kind of outfit I'm thinking to put together with it, and definitely give me some suggestions below once you see the shoe. I'm gonna start with my favorite of the three. Hello, hello. It is a red, chunky heeled, gold strap amazingness. I usually don't wear red, a lot of it. When I saw this shoe, I was like, yes, ma'am. And for under $20, like, hello. Love the braided details right here and also around the ankle. It's a super sturdy shoe. It's still a heel, so you look like you're doing something, but you're also not like struggling and being like, on the sidewalk. First like outfit inspiration for this would definitely be a really dark high-waisted jean, white flowy shirt, or even maybe a bodysuit, something really, really tight, but definitely a high-waisted jean and a cuffed bottom, because you want to be able to show off all this goodness. For the second shoe I got, hello, Miss Nude. It laces right at the top. Once again, a chunky heel. I'm all down for a stiletto heel, but most of the time, if I'm just gonna try to go out, I know I'm gonna get into things like shenanigans and adventures are gonna happen, and I can't rely or trust myself with a thinner heel, so I need something like this. So I can still look like I'm getting away with it, like I'm doing something because I put a heel on, but it's also thick so that I can have some support and I'm not struggling, I'm trying to dance. Although I don't really do prints in the summertime, if I do happen to find maybe a romper or a bodysuit for vacation or something, I would definitely pair this with that. It can go with anything, but my go-to outfit would definitely be some light acid washed ripped boyfriend jeans, these babies right here, a bodysuit, and maybe like a really chunky necklace or a choker, and then some hoops. Do you see the hoop? Do you see it? Do you see the outfit coming together? Last but certainly not least is this cutie right here. Marble print, clear strap in the front, and a really tiny strap around the ankle. The only thing, like, look at how cute these are, seriously. But if you can tell, this is like a I think it's called neoprene. It's like that stretchy material that is put over here and not actual like printed marble, which is what I thought was happening. I thought it was gonna be nice and shiny, but if you read the description on the website, it does say, I think it might say neoprene. That's probably where I got that word from. But I was a little disappointed when I took it out of the box because I thought they were gonna actually be like a marbly heel, not something that is actual like fabric on top of it, but like a hard, shiny plastic heel. So love you, but a little disappointed. They do have another one on the website that is similar to it, but it has the actual like shiny plastic marble and not this like neoprene cover on it. I'll put a picture right here if they still have it on the website. I would probably try to get those. I just wanted an open toe shoe because it's gonna be for summertime. And those kind of shoes specifically in the summertime, if you put your foot in that thing, you have to wear it with like a sock or something, which doesn't really work out because it's like a V shape at the top. They're just the kind of shoes that your foot is like guaranteed to sweat in. So I was like, if I'm gonna rock this, I'm gonna have all this airflow right here. Without it, it's like I'm sweating. All right, y'all, that's like really all I got. This was gonna be a really quick video. I just got these shoes in the mail. I was like, let me just show my subscribers, give them some outfit ideas, and all of these shoes, how cute. $18 each, ridiculous. They're really good quality. You can see that. I hope you can see that. Y'all, thanks for watching and happy shoe shopping. All of the links to these exact shoes are down below. Let me know if you have any other outfit inspirations and what kind of shoes you are buying for this new summer season that is coming. It's coming, East Coasters. You West Coasters are having your fun with your year-round summer, but we're still struggling. We're struggling over here on the East Coast. I will talk to you guys on my next video. Bye.
Do you think of me what we used to be?